Hello everyone, EJ Adventure here. We are about to go railroading.
See you guys back on the adventure.
No sturdy?
No. Look at that.
Walk back around that way.
Yeah, zoom, 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 zoom.
Let him explain to you what the roundhouse is for. What do you think it's for? No, don't sit on that. What do you think it's for?
Because it moves it, like it turns the train. Yeah,
if the train's headed that way and gets out on that, what can happen? You can get it turned and headed that way, right?
Yeah, this one gets on here. Like, that one come out, and then it goes wherever it needs to go to.
So this is perfect.
So you get to see the trains and the engines. What do you think about that, sir? Yes, sir. Okay.
That's cool. Walk around.
I think the first bridge was the biggest one. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, because the second one that we just did wasn't even that much. Oh, this is a little interesting part. Here we go, country road, take me home. Where I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, country road. Sorry about that. That's scary.
Oh, that's a spider. That's a big spider.
That's a big spider. All right, y'all see it crawling right there? Ooh, that's scary.